Hi everyone, this is Ashwardhan and you're watching on the Web Guide channel, and today we are going to learn how to build custom template tags. So let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. At first, we need to understand why do we need custom template tags. See, this custom template tag gives you a power to process any data and render it to any template irrespective of which view is being executed. For example, let's say you want to find the number of comments posted on a particular post. So for this, you should use your custom template tag instead of writing whole code inside the post detail view. Okay. So let's implement that and understand how it works. At first, we need to create a folder inside my app. I will say template tags. Inside that, I will create a new file __init__dot_py to create a module and another file called blog_tags.py. Now inside blog_tags.py, you will say from models import post. Why I am importing post? Because we are trying to find out total number of posts. So see, I just want to teach how Django works, but when you have to implement it, you will use comments. How many comments are posted on a particular post? Why? But why I am doing this here? Because we don't have comments on almost all the posts, right? So to demonstrate how this custom template tag works, I will use the total number of posts. Okay, so I will say from models import post, and I will also say from Django import template. And now we will create register equals to template dot library, and we will define a function total post. This total post will return post.objects.count. Okay, so at first we have created a register, and then we have defined a function called total post that will return the count of total post. But now we have to register this template tag, and for this we will use this register. We'll say @register.simpleTag. Okay, save this, get back right inside your template, inside home page. At the top you will say as h3 total post /h3, and we will say here total underscore post. So this total post is the name of the function. Okay, but if I try to run the server, then we will get an error saying this total post is not defined or something like that. I'll just run the server and let you know. Python manage.py run server. So just copy this link, go to /list, and we got an error, template syntax error, invalid block tag total post. Did you forget to register or load this tag? Yes, we forget to load this tag, and for this we will say at the top before doctype HTML load. What we have to load? We have to load blog_tags, the name of the file. Okay, so we'll say blog_tags. Save this, and now let's reload. Okay, it's not reloading. I'll close the server, clear the screen. I will say python manage.py run server. Okay, now it's started. Refresh. So now you can see we have total 105 posts. You can also just copy this and go inside the detail page, and right at the top you can paste it. But here also you have to load the tag, and for that just have to copy this load and paste it here. Save this and refresh. So let's go to, this is post 4, and here you can see 105. So this is the power of custom template tag, and you should use it. Now if you have any doubt, just ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram at harshvardhan.ai. And in the next lecture we are going to learn about inclusion tag. See, here we have learned about simple tag that returns the string, and in the next lecture we will learn about inclusion tag, and that will render a template. So see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.